Hello, hey, Steve Bedell, Gilbo Realty, Villages, Florida, coming at you today. And I've got a great house to show you. This is one I just listed recently. It's a Jasmine model, a very popular model in the villages because it's got a lot of wide open spaces. It's a open floor plan, and the floor plan has the master suite and bath on one side of the house, and it's got the visitor suite on the other side of the house, and it's really convenient because it actually has a pocket door. So when you have family or company down that stays with you, they can stay on the other side of the house. They just say good night, see you tomorrow. They close that door, and boom, you both sides have complete privacy. So it's a really nice layout. So it's only a few years old. Let me see, 2022 it was built, well maintained, of course. Mature landscaping, which you don't get with the newer properties. Gutters, which you don't get with the newer properties, also. And let me tell you about the location. And I'll get to the photos in a second here, but I'll forget if I don't look at this stuff. It's in the village of St. John's. Now, St. John's, if you know your way around the villages, is just south of 44. You hop in your car, you're in Brownwood in just 5 minutes, probably. So it's got the best of both locations. South of 44 is newer and has a lot of great things about being new. And north of 44 has maybe a lot more shopping, that type of thing. So you've kind of got the best of both worlds in this location. And you get the newer construction of the home and get right up there. Now, this home has a Roman shower, which is really nice. No glass to deal with, none of that stuff, no cleaning. Samsung appliances, washer, dryer, gas stove, which is really nice. They have gas in this area. And you also even have a fence in the backyard. So you don't have any of those kissing lanais on this house because you're not going to see whoever is in back of you. That's a big issue here and a big feature in the villages because you don't want to be sitting there looking 10 feet out your lanai at your neighbor. Maybe you like a neighbor, but anyway, right next to Okahumpka Rec Center, real nice. And what's really great about this location, Harry and the Natives is a restaurant that opened recently, and they have just the most fabulous location, probably in the villages. They're on a lake. There's a deck that goes right out on the water. The bar is right out there. It's just a fabulous, fabulous place to spend a couple of hours with friends. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what it looks like. Enough talk. All right. Here, let me get myself out of the way here. Here we got this is the house, of course. And did I tell you it was an open floor plan? You can see here, it's wide open. You got LVP flooring. This is the pocket door over here that goes to the visitor's suite on this side of the house. Let's get a little further down here. I got a few views of the great room, like this. You can see the fence out back and a pretty good sized lanai out there. Here's looking from another view, looking back towards where the kitchen is. That kitchen, the hall goes way down there, so you got plenty of room down there. You could put a little breakfast nook in if you so desire. That's the front door. And here's looking back towards the fence in the back of the house. Just another view here of the great room. And you got the vaulted ceilings like this too, which are really nice. That's at least the whole house has this feeling of openness between the vaulted ceilings and the open floor plan feels really great. Okay, so that's kind of that area. This is looking down the hallway over in the visitor's suite. That's a nice bedroom down there in the back. You can see a little closer. This is the second bath right there in the middle of the two rooms. Isn't this a nice little location here, like this too? I like those three windows in the front. They're kind of a nice design feature. There you go again. And looking back up through the hall in this direction, this is the other bedroom that's up here. They all do have closets also. Sometimes people will advertise 3 bedrooms, but one of them may not have a closet. But this does, goes in both directions. This is the second bath. That's in over on the visitor or the guest suite, like this. This is the master bedroom over on the other side of the house. You can see nice big vaulted ceilings. Again, this whole house has a nice feeling of just all kinds of space, which I like. And out back, again, that fence is so nice. You do have not only the lanai, you got a separate pad out there to put all your barbecue stuff on. The bath, you got 2 sinks in there, dual sinks. This is, you do have the, this is leading into it, and the shower is, of course, that direction. And well, they left a bunch of stuff there, but hey, pretty handy. Look at that. You can just walk right in there, take your shower, walk out, no problem. All right. Here's from the master bedroom, looking out the hall over to the laundry room over here. These are both really nice Samsung appliances. And we're out in the kitchen here. We're looking still towards the back of the house. So you got a lot of space here. This is a long, narrow hall that runs right down here. So you got everything you need here. And you got everything you need and out of the way. There's the appliances. This is the door to the garage right over here. We got this great gas stove. I think the gas grills, I think they look so cool. They really do. They look nice, and I just much prefer gas to electric any day. Okay, see what I mean? You could put a little breakfast nook here. Yeah, the owner put a little office here. You got plenty of room because look, you got an office over this side. He had his music room, TV room over on the other in that other bedroom. Still had another bedroom that's open for guests. So you got plenty of room for whatever you need here. And he's looking from the front door, looking in. And this is the backyard out here in the lanai. And the lanai is wide open for you to do whatever you want with it right now. Here's that separate little pad that's on the back side over here. And just a couple aerials to show you where the house is located. This is from the back, from the front. And there we go there. And that gives you, hey, just a little picture of the roof. But anyway, great house, great shape, great location, and a very good price, under $400,000. Yep. So anyway, if you want any information about this house or any other houses in the villages, give me a call, 603-767-7467. I see I didn't put it on the video. Maybe I'll add it on there in a little bit. Okay. But there you go. Great stuff here. Give me a call. This is a wonderful house. I would be very happy to show it to you. For now, bye now.